to text website and give feedback. So if you have a keen AV for website design and development on-site, becoming a website tester, it's a great freelancer job to make fast cash and a good starting point for newsblade looking to enter the web development industry industry. As a website tester, it's necessary to have theoretical and logical thinking skill, excellent communication skill, and knowledge of website functionality and design. These factors can help improve job prospect and text reporting quickly. So payment and project basis and rates different basis on testing method and the marketplace policy. For example, user testing offer between $4 থেকে $120 text, where the higher earning threshold for people doing live conversation text with silent. So explains what your customer explains. Okay. So how are a few others marketplace where people can sign up for website testing project. So we were tester a crowdsourced testing service focus on mobile apps and game testing. Users being a online tools offering UX testing for website and digital product. Phototype testbed user explains testing for digital product including e-commerce, store mobile apps and fitness tracker. Userlytics in addition a testing website and apps. It offers project function on reviewing video commercials. So thank you everyone.